Get strong.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you're at in the world. Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. As you can see, I'm about to indulge in my breakfast. And on the menu today is fried breadfruit, fried ripe plantains, and ackee with saute brown stew chicken. This is the breadfruit, and it's a Jamaican, one of our many Jamaican dishes that we often eat during breakfast. It's fried breadfruit and it's very tasty. It has a sweet, savory taste. And this is the fruit, ackee. And it's our national dish when we combine it with codfish. Some individuals will combine it with ham, some with chicken back. Yes, chicken back. And some just use them hand, turn them and make fashion. And once you turn your hand and make fashion, anything that we have to actually combine with that ackee, we'll do it. Like for now, I combine some leftover chicken and it tastes scrumptious. It's a very good combination. This is what I'm having for my breakfast this Saturday morning. So how was your week? I trust that you all had a very productive week, a very fulfilling week, and you are relaxing right now, watching 12 Years Gone. You can actually comment in the comment section how was the week, if it was productive, if they didn't achieve what you set out to achieve. My week was very productive. I achieved quite a lot of stuff that I set out to achieve. Another thing is not everybody in Jamaica drinks tea during their breakfast, and I am one of those individuals. I usually drink beverage, and my favorite beverage is lemonade. So that's what I'm having now. You know? Yeah. How was the week? Tell me. And this is our right mountain. See, it's very good. And it's a good combination with the ackee. Either with ackee and sausage, ackee and whatever you mix it with. Some with ham, as I said earlier, some with some leftover chicken, some with codfish. Very good combination. Very sweet and tasty. Also, I would like you who are watching to text in the comment section where you are watching from. If you are watching from the Caribbean, let me know specifically which Caribbean island. If you are watching from Europe, let me know which country. If you are watching from North America, let me know which country. If you are watching from Asia, let me know which country. I would really appreciate that. This is good, man. Yeah. So what we do? We roast the breadfruit, then peel it, then we cut it in different slices and fry it. Some individuals will actually sprinkle a little salt over it because it's a bit sweety, so it kind of counteract the taste. Some individuals, like myself, just eat it as it is, from the frying pan to the plate to my mouth in my belly. Anyways, as usual, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please, my valued viewers, do not forget to visit our business page, gekrltglue.com. Something is over there for each and every one of you. Natural skincare products. gekrltglue.com. Have a wonderful morning. Have a wonderful afternoon. Have a wonderful evening. Anywhere you're at in the world. Peace.